Hey guys, and welcome back to Project LSJ FIERO. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. And before we jump into the frame stretching, I want to know what your guys' most fun fact about Fieros is. So if you think you know something that maybe Alex or I don't know, please leave a comment down below. And further ado, let's get into it.
Alright guys, we're back at the project car and we are finally going to work on, we're drilling out those other frame spot welds. So we're going to drill out those spot welds. We're going to try to finish getting the frame ready for stretching. It's been a really apprehensive process for me where I am just want to make sure that we do this as precisely as possible and in the best way, and so I've been kind of putting it off, but today we're going to continue working on it, so look forward to that. All right, we just met with my buddy Adam that is gonna do the frame stretch on this, and he gave me a bunch of more pointers about where we need to cut things out. And then once we cut those things out, we will be ready to finally do the stretch. So it looks like we have like a lot more work to do, but we're getting there. This B-pillar panel, we found that there was a lot of spot welds in the center, and that's why it wasn't coming out last time. And then a lot of spot welds off to the side. We're also going to be removing the trunk frame rail pieces. So I'm going to tilt this over here. These upper trunk rail pieces, going to need to remove that, and going to remove the pieces down near the bumper bar. I'm going to have to get those from another parts car. That being said, you know, it's still progressing, and I think we're going to be able to get it done. So I'm just going to carry on and do a time lapse here about drilling those out. Finally have all this off, and I see the inside. Our fold in the car is actually right here, and this side here is bent forward, you know, and that's causing the T-top up there to go up. But soon that will be not a thing, as this outer skin has been removed and the rear frame rail is now gone. We're almost ready to stretch. Starting to mark the other side here. There's a lot of spot welds, but we know where they all are because I have a template. All right, we're gonna leave today, and we've got a bunch of this quarter B-pillar off. Still a few things left to remove, but the drill bit is dull and I'm exhausted, so gonna have to come back and fight it another day. However, we have our template panel. We'll be able to come back and drill our good parts out at home in the, you know, piece of my garage and not in this blaring sun.
Alright you guys, that is going to have to be it for the video today. I want to thank you for tuning in. Again, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video if you like what we are doing here, and I don't know, what are you guys feeling about summer so far? Are you guys enjoying it? Is everything going alright? Did you guys do anything fun lately? Please leave some commentary down below. We'd love to hear about how you guys are doing, because you guys are so faithful to us, and we really appreciate that you guys come in and you watch our videos, and it's just super nice to feel like we have some sort of support in this small little Fiero community. Maybe you don't even own a Fiero and you're watching us, and again, we really appreciate that. So have a good day, guys. Again, have a